Hey everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I'm going to make a Halloween Dollar Tree neon sign. So stick around to find out how it turns out. So for the base of my sign, I'm using one of these already made signs from Dollar Tree. This one I got a long time ago, probably like 3 or 4 years ago. So they don't sell this particular one that I've seen in the store right now, but they sell ones kind of similar to this, the shape and everything. So what I'm going to do is just remove the string from the top, and then I'm going to take this black glossy spray paint and go and give it a coat of spray paint, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the sign is all painted and dried. Now I'm going to use these LED string lights that come from Dollar Tree. They're battery operated. I got the orange color. I believe they come in purple too, but I thought the orange looked more Halloween-ish. So I'm just going to unravel them. And then the one side that has the white portion at the bottom of the string, I am going to attach that to the back of the sign, and I'm going to do that with a staple gun. And you just have to be really careful that you don't staple the light accidentally, and you have to make sure that the staple, that the light is in between the staple. And then also you don't want to apply too much pressure on to the string light when you are stapling it, because it will break the lights and they will go off and you won't be able to turn them back on again. So you just kind of want to place the staple gun on top of the string, in between the, making sure it's in between the staple, and then just pulling the trigger. So it'll be kind of loose, but the staple will go into the board to hold the lights in place. And then I just did a cursive boo, and I'm just winding the string around to make my B, and then stapling it where I feel like I needed it to be held. And then I did the same thing with the O's. So now I'm just going to embellish the sign a little bit so it doesn't look so plain when it's not lit up. And I'm doing that with my hot glue gun. I'm just drawing some spider webs onto each corner of the sign, and then I just took some white acrylic paint in my foam brush, and I just barely brushed the white paint onto the glue that had been dried. And then I took some Dollar Tree sparkly spiders and hot glued them down to the spider webs. Alright guys, so I think this Halloween sign turned out really cool. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on anything else. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.